Are you looking to grow your business but the thought of applying for a business loan scares you? The tons of paperwork, fixing appointments, making trips to the banks, the slow process. Frightening, isn't it? Not anymore. Here's presenting My Money, a DIY platform from IIFL Finance, where we have simplified and digitized the application journey to complete in less than 15 minutes from the comfort and safety of your home. Here's how. First, keep these documents ready before starting your application process. PAN card of your organization, Aadhaar card of your organization, incorporation certificate, any kind of valid business proof like Udyam Aadhaar, FDA license, PDF of bank account statement of past 6 months, proof of residential ownership, address proof of your organization's office. Once these are ready with you, just start with the process, which is simple and easy. All you need to do is fill in your PAN and basic details, and My Money will present your credit score in just a few seconds. Now proceed to enter some more details such as type of ownership, date of incorporation, business income, and GST number. Next, submit your banking details either by logging into your internet banking account or uploading bank statement of previous 6 months. But if you are applying for a loan under 1 lakh rupees, then these documents are not required. Voila! My Money will present to you with the best offer on business loan in just a few seconds. You can also check for details and see the interest rate, processing fee, tenure, and amount to pay back after loan tenure is over. Isn't it easy? Now confirm your address. Click a dashing selfie and upload the KYC documents, that is, personal PAN card, business registration proof, and address proof. Click on View Loan Offer to get complete details of the loan offered. Then comes the step of setting up a bank mandate for automatic EMI deductions. Enter your bank account details, confirm details, and your e-mandate is created. Please read the agreement carefully and sign it off using an OTP code. And there you have it. From application to disbursement, My Money takes only 4 hours. No pledged assets, no extended paperwork. My Money doesn't even make you hop between platforms, let alone hopping from bank to bank. It's that easy. You may ask, this sounds too simple. Is it safe? 100%. And what about the interest rate? Must be very high, you would think. Well, IIFL Finance offers a very competitive interest rate starting from 11.25% per annum. So if you are an entrepreneur or a self-employed professional looking to get a business loan sanctioned within hours from wherever you are and with next to no hassle, hop on to My Money. If time is money to you, My Money is where you want to be.